What is going on, everybody? Tony Rysdyke, owner of First Choice Automotive here in Cedar Park, Texas. Helpful tips before we get on the road to go to grandma's house to drop off those kids for spring break before they pull your hair out, okay? Or if you're going to take your kids down to the beach and be a good parent, whatever you may do, I'm here to help and keep you off the road, all right, guys? A couple of helpful tips. Tire pressure. Before you hit the road, check all four tires and check that spare tire. A lot of people don't even think about checking their spare tire, but if you have a flat and you go to get your spare tire off the bed of your truck or underneath your van or car, and you put that sucker on and you lower your jack down and you see it go flat, couple things. Get a tire gauge, like I was saying, and then get on Amazon. They sell these awesome little air compressors about this big. Plug into your cigarette lighter and you can air up your tire on the side of the road, okay? That is very helpful if you get a flat. Third thing is carry a can of Fix Flat. The tire shop may not like you because of how nasty it is when they go in there and fix that flat tire, but it's going to get you back on the road and down the road to the next tire shop. Fourth thing, wherever we're at, is all of your fluids. Engine oil, antifreeze, brake fluid. If you don't know where these components are located on your car, you can go to YouTube, or you can simply come by, see me. I'll check all your fluids at no charge to you. Awesome. One of the things too is you can go to any auto parts store, they can test your battery. Battery may work today, may work tomorrow, but the next day all of a sudden the battery can go dead. Reason why that being is batteries have cells. Cells will end up dying over time. Leave you with possibly no signs of it going dead. So recommend highly getting your battery tested at any auto parts store, or we test batteries for free as well. Even if you don't want to buy ours, it doesn't matter. We're going to keep you off the road. So please help these tips. Go on Amazon, buy that little electric air compressor, buy a tire gauge so you can see what your tires are at, check all your fluids, keep an extra gallon of antifreeze, washer fluid, extra quart of oil. Any of these little things are going to help you and help prevent you from being stuck on the side of the road. Other than that, I hope everyone has an awesome spring break and had an awesome February. This month has flown by. Thank you all for the love and support. Maybe you can share, like this video, somebody else who may need it. Thank you so much.